Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to share details about cookware that can be used in a microwave oven, also the cookware that should not be. This video will be helpful for those who are currently using microwave oven and also for those who are planning to purchase one in future. Before we know about the microwave oven cookware, first let us know how microwave oven works. Microwave oven has three modes: microwave, grilling and baking, and we cannot use same kind of utensils in all the modes. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. During the first half of the video, we will understand what cookware can be used in the microwave oven, and in the second half what cookware should not. So please watch this video till the end. We are using IFB microwave oven for home purpose. In this we can perform heating, cooking, grilling and baking. This has auto cook and also manual options. We need to change the cookware depending upon the option we choose. Before we go into the cookware part, let's first understand the functionality of different modes in microwave oven. First we have is the microwave mode, which is used for cooking or heating purpose. We can prepare various types of curries and we can also heat the cooked food in this mode. Second we have is the grill mode, which can be used to grill the cooked food. Paneer tikka and chicken can be easily grilled using this option. Last mode is baking mode, where we can prepare cakes, cookies and pizzas and other baking stuff. Now let us have a look at the cookware which can be used in microwave mode. First type of cookware is plastic cookware. The one we are seeing now is a plastic bowl which can be used in microwave as it is microwave safe. All plastic utensils cannot be used in microwave. Only microwave safe plastic has to be used. To know if a plastic bowl can be used in a microwave, we need to look at the back side of the bowl for microwave symbol, as you can see. So this is how it looks. If there is no such symbol, we cannot use the item in the microwave mode. This is a plastic tumbler which can be used in microwave for heating any liquid item. If we look at the back side, we can see microwave symbol, hence it is microwave safe. Now the one you are seeing is a plastic plate which is microwave safe and it can be used in microwave. As you can see the microwave symbol. Microwave safe plastic bowls cannot be used in baking or grilling mode. This plastic set is microwave safe and we got it as free gift when we purchased IFB microwave oven. Although microwave safe plastic items are heat resistant and can be safely used in microwave, but I personally prefer to use them for short duration in microwave. In case if you are using microwave for long duration, it's better to use ceramic or glass cookware. The next type of cookware we can use in microwave mode are ceramic utensils. This is a ceramic mug which is microwave safe. All ceramic items cannot be used in microwave. Only the one which has microwave symbol can be used in microwave mode. We can use this mug for preparing coffee and heating tea as well. This is a ceramic plate which is also microwave safe, as you can see the microwave symbol, and this can be used in microwave mode. Last type of cookware which can be used in microwave is this glass item. This is a toughened glass which is microwave safe. This is different from normal glass. Borosil and Rio glassware are some of the popular brands that can be used in microwave. These are slightly priced high when compared to other microwave safe glass bowls and are completely heat resistant. This is the product pack of the glass bowl that we have purchased. As you can see, it's mentioned as toughened glass and also it's microwave safe. Now let's move on to grilling cookware. As you can see, these two grill racks are provided as part of microwave oven. You can also purchase these racks separately outside. These two grill racks are of different sizes. One is small and the other one is big. Smaller one can be used when you want to grill on less heat, whereas for more heat we use bigger one. These grill racks can be used in grilling mode or combination mode but cannot be used in microwave or baking mode. Now let's see the baking cookware. This is an aluminium cake tin which is used for preparing cakes. This is used in baking mode and not in any other mode. This is a baking tray which came along with the microwave oven when we purchased. We can prepare cookies or make pizza. This can only be used in baking mode and not in any other mode. Apart from these, we can also use microwave safe ceramic and glass items in baking mode. This ceramic mug is microwave safe and so can be used in preparing mug cake in baking mode. We can use microwave safe ceramic and glass items in both microwave and baking mode. So far we have learned what kind of cookware can be used in microwave oven. Now let's also know what cookware should not be used in microwave oven. This is a wooden spatula. Any wood item cannot be used in any of the modes in microwave oven as they catch fire. This plastic storage bowl cannot be used in microwave oven as it's not microwave safe. Make sure to use microwave safe plastic which is of high grade, usually having number 5. This plastic measuring cup cannot be used in microwave oven. This has other symbols except microwave safe symbol, so it's not at all recommended to use in a microwave oven. This ceramic plate cannot be used in either microwave mode or baking mode as it is not microwave safe. This ceramic mug also doesn't have microwave symbol, so it cannot be used in microwave or baking mode. This glass bowl should not be used in microwave oven as it is not microwave safe. Also, the same is the case with this normal glass which cannot be used in microwave or baking mode as it is not microwave safe. Now let's talk about the steel containers. These are the steel containers such as steel plate, steel glass and steel bowl. Any kind of steel utensil should not be used in microwave or baking mode. So friends, in this video we have covered everything about the cookware that is suitable and not suitable for microwave oven. If you find this video informative and helpful, do like this video. Also please post your comments down if any. We will try answering your questions in next video. Until then, keep watching our other interesting videos. Thanks for watching.